different white labels right now that do their own thing. And the big thing that we just are getting released, or we already have released, that we're starting to get our messaging out on, is the data store. So the DataGiss is not a white label currently. We do offer it. It's very expensive as a white label, but you're not able to, in the $4.99 plan, white label it. But what you can do is you can build these little segments of data, and in your white label, you can pre-build these types of leads for them. So you can upload data just like before with the marketplace. You would have to create your little database. When you do this, you just have to rename the columns. And when you rename the columns, they just have to match the spreadsheet. It's not that hard. But book an appointment if you need help with it. And after you do all this, upload the data, make the columns, you're able to go into your data store. Your data store is located under data store white label. And just like before, you just need to update the A record and add in a subdomain. So everyone's data store looks like this, and you can customize however you want this to work. So if a user does not want to come out and go through all the filtering that stresses them out, like a CRM filtering, what you are able to do is come within your marketplace after you get this on, go to data store. You can then click create data store. What I want to do is I want to make a store specifically for aged roofing lead. And why are they going to be aged roofing lead? Because within my lead management and lead CRM, I specifically looked for the severe alerts that occurred that were because of hail or some other type of event. So you can filter this on this side to select the ones that had the hail. And when you are in here, you would be able to move them over from your lead management system as a data product once you make the actual table in here.